Welcome to Attendum, an all-in-one solution for all attendance monitoring needs, whether it's for students, staff, visitors, conferences or events. In this video, we'll break down our pricing models for you. Attendum offers two different packages, the software-only package and the full package. The software-only package offers functionalities such as time and attendance registration, holiday tracking, reporting and analytics, and a visitor sign-in feature which provides temporary badges when needed. You can opt for an annual license with a 10% discount or go for a monthly subscription. If you choose to move on at the end of your term, you can easily export all your data and uninstall the software. The full package is a comprehensive option that includes both hardware and software. The hardware encompasses devices essential for attendance registration, while the software delivers all the robust features that the Attendum platform offers. Depending on your needs, you can choose registration devices that function via ID cards, mobile phones, or proximity. We can supply high-security ID cards, or you can use your existing ID cards if they have RFID tags. For in-depth information on the registration methods, please refer to our dedicated videos on registration by phones and by proximity. With the full package, you have several payment and commitment choices: trial, rent, and purchase. Experience our system firsthand with a free trial. Receive the necessary hardware and test it for a set period, such as an academic term or 3 months. At the end, you can either purchase the system or return it. Alternatively, you can rent the system. This is ideal for short-term requirements like conferences or situations where your organisation is undergoing restructuring. This option lets you rent our system for up to a year with a monthly fee. Once the rental term expires, you have the flexibility to extend the rental, purchase the system, or return it. Finally, you can purchase the system and invest outright with a one-off payment or spread the cost over several instalments. With this choice, the system is yours to retain indefinitely. Depending on the size and complexity of your setup, we'll either post the system to you with a straightforward installation guide, or our team will handle the installation at your premises. Regardless of the method you select, our support team is always available to assist you throughout your contract. If there are any performance issues or device malfunctions, we've got you covered. Furthermore, all our solutions are cloud-based and compatible with major HR and payroll platforms. For any questions or additional details, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via our Contact Us form. Thank you for listening and for finding out about Attendum.